Alright my good people, and welcome back to Anointed Lady TV. Know say we hobby now to dey give una legit informate on the things and things wey dey go on for inside this our nation, Nigeria. And just like usual, I don't come with breaking news. I don't bring updates wey I wan share give the general public. And the koko be say, the oga kpatakpata for the Nigerian Senate, that is Godswill Akpabio, don openly mock the People's Democratic Party. This man now don yab the People's Democratic Party for inside the Senate chamber on Wednesday, wey be the 5th day of February for this year 2025, and he mock the PDP sake of the ongoing leadership crisis wey dey happen for the party. Now during the plenary section wey sup on Wednesday, na there oga Godswill Akpabio come use play come dey ask the Senate minority leader wey be Patrick Abamoro say who be their national secretary for their party. According to how the talk take come outside from the mouth of oga Godswill Akpabio, he say who be your national secretary for PDP? The governors now then get their national secretary and other members get their national secretary. This my good people na how tey yarn am give Senator Patrick Abba, but in response, the PDP chieftain come dey insist say na Senator Samuel Anyanwu na dey remain the legitimate national secretary of the People's Democratic Party. Now, apart from say oga Patrick na dey lead the opposition for inside the Nigerian Senate, he still be the head of the People's Democratic Party, their caucus for inside the National Assembly. And that my good people, they include all PDP senators and House of Representatives members. And no be lie my good people, controversy don dey ground sake of the national secretary position of the People's Democratic Party. Just last Friday for here, the governors of the People's Democratic Party for one meeting like that wey happen for inside Asaba for Delta State, they come dey recognize one countryman wey dey go by the name Sunday Ode Okoye as the new national secretary of the party, and they come drop directive give the National Working Committee say make dem acknowledge oga Sunday officially as the new national secretary. And similarly to all these levels now wey happen for inside Asaba for Delta State, the board of trustees of the People's Democratic Party for one meeting again wey sup for inside Abuja earlier on Wednesday, the men sef dey concur to the decision of the PDP governors. They are in support, and them sef dey yarn say the recognition of Sunday Ode Okoye as the legitimate national secretary na legit something. For inside one communique sef wey dey signed by one countryman wey dey go by the name Senator Adolphus Wabara, and he na the chairman of the PDP board of trustees. The board dey yarn say their decision was based on the findings of a committee wey dey led by Barrister Kabiru Tanimu Turaki. The board of trustees now dey talk about a declarative judgment from the High Court of Enugu, which was upheld by the Court of Appeal, and they affirm they plaster oga Sunday Ode Okoye as the rightful national secretary of the People's Democratic Party. And the board of trustees, by adopting the report, they recognize Honorable Sunday Ode Okoye as the substantive national secretary of the People's Democratic Party in full obedience to the declaratory judgment of the High Court of Enugu, as also upheld by the Court of Appeal. There be no contrary or overriding judgment from any court of superior jurisdiction. This na how they tell yarn for inside the communique. But last my good people, the board of trustees they constantly call on the National Working Committee say sharply make them swear in oga Sunday Ode Okoye, and they urge all the stakeholders of the People's Democratic Party make them abide by the court's ruling. And the board of trustees constantly give accolade to the PDP Governors Forum plus the National Working Committee and other party organs for their commitment to upholding the constitution and guidelines of their party. So that my good people now the updates on wetin dey go on for PDP. But you see the drama now wey play out for inside the Nigerian Senate na based on the official defection of Senator Ned Nwoko, wey be dey represent Delta North from the People's Democratic Party. The man now don wash him hand comot from the party. He don cross carpet go the All Progressive Congress. And for inside Senator Ned Nwoko defection letter, he yarn himself say na because of the internal crisis wey dey go on for inside the People's Democratic Party na why he wash hand comot for there come join the ruling All Progressive Congress. Now we don't know whether na say the man get big heart abi he get big motive But Senator Ned Nwoko will be chairman of the Senate Committee on Reparation and Repatriation. He now dey urge the Senate make dem investigate the crisis wey dey happen for the People's Democratic Party. Not because of say based on the crisis wey dey plague the party wey go make am comot for the party na make him want make the Senate torchlight wetin dey go on for there. No, na because say the crisis now wey dey go on for inside the party e go bring instability. The thing dey pose significant threat to the democracy of this our green white green country wey be Nigeria. And if dem no address the matter, this our country dey risk sliding into a dangerous one-party system. You see, as things be now for the PDP, they no come get strength again, they no come get clear leadership, and they no get direction to do the necessary, and they no get the ability to function as an effective opposition. And to get effective opposition for we nation Nigeria is very much essential for healthy democracy. So the senator come dey urge the Nigerian Senate make dem establish an ad hoc committee to go investigate the internal crisis within the People's Democratic Party. And Oga Ned come say dey yarn say make this particular ad hoc committee dey wan set up so examine the root causes of the internal implosion of the party. Make the committee meet with relevant stakeholders and make dem propose reforms wey go ensure the survival of a viable opposition in this our nation Nigeria. But however, good people, the Senate President wey be Godswill Akpabio, man wey be say na him get the final say for inside the Nigerian Senate. He say he no go set up any ad hoc committee to go investigate any matter wey dey go on for inside the People's Democratic Party. Now no be like say he wants make the crisis continue because e go dey in their favour. He say based on say the matter e dey court, based on say the issue e don already enter court here, the thing already dey for court their table. He no need set up another ad hoc committee to go investigate. But if you ask me, good people, I go tell you say wetin Senator Ned Nwoko do for PDP, it's very much obvious. Say the man he like the party before, but na how things dey waka for inside na why he gats comot him body. Make e no be say if or when last the party come go collapse, come go fall yakata, him wey dey inside the party go come meet with the same fate. But e dey nice to know say even as the man now don comot for the party, he say dey yarn make dem go torchlight wetin dey happen, make dem resolve the crisis. E get why. So this good people na the information wey I wan share give the general public. Anyhow the thing be you for body, feel free make you drop am inside our comment section. You know say na we be Anointed Lady TV. Now they like give una legit information on the things and things wey dey go on for inside this our nation Nigeria. So if you like this update and you go like to receive more, try make you subscribe to this channel and try make you put on the notification bell so that as we dey bring more news dey come, na you go first receive the update and you go even get am sharp. I dey come your side again with other legit news for you, my good people. Try make you no go anywhere.